Hi and welcome to Nextage tips and tricks videos. My name is Jørgen Winther, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own webkey account. In order to create your own webkey account, you need to go to the Siemens website. You will simply type in support.ugs.com and you'll be redirected to the Siemens website. In order to create a webkey account, you have to go to the webkey account management. So here you pick the item called create account and you go to the standard webkey creation. Here you will need a SOL2 ID and a web access code. These codes will be provided to you by your reseller when you sign up your Solid Edge service contract. Type in your SOL2 and your webkey access code and press continue. Once you have typed in your SOL2 ID and your web access code, you need to fill out this formula. I'll type in my name, pick 45 for Denmark if you are situated in Denmark, otherwise you'll need to pick whatever country is suited for you. In the phone area code I'll also pick 45. Again, that may vary from country to country. I'll type in my phone number, email address, and again. Now you have to choose a username, and I usually just use my email address. Once again, I'll just copy it and paste it in here. That'll uniquely identify you as the user. Now you need to create a password. It needs to be 8 characters long, contain an uppercase letter, contain a lowercase letter, contain a number, and contain 1 special characters. Special characters allowed are these highlighted here in the gray box. So I'll type in a password. And one more time to verify. Sign up to receive information if you like, and submit your data. Once you have submitted your formula, you'll be diverted to this page, congratulating you on your new webkey and informing you that an activation link has been sent to your email account. So I'll just go to my email account and press accept on this link, and this link will activate my account. So now you're ready to use your webkey. You'll now have access to license management, download and upload files. You'll be able to participate in the Siemens PLM community, and you will be able to search solutions in the Solution Center, and so on and so forth. So congratulations on your new webkey.